Today's episode is brought to you by Renewal by Andersen of Central Pennsylvania. Renewal by Andersen offers you a better way to a better window. Go to RBACentralPADeals.com for this month's specials. About 8,000 patients have been affected by a data breach at a Pittsburgh-based health network. This fall, a hospital in Kingston will close its doors due to staffing shortages. People are abandoning dogs in a wooded area in Philly. And 2 bear cubs will soon call a Washington County sanctuary their home. I'm Claudia Dimuro, and you're listening to Today in a PA. A data breach at Allegheny Health Network has affected about 8,000 of their patients, reports WPXI. This breach was discovered back on June 1st and occurred after an employee received a phishing email which ended up compromising their account. The phisher was then able to access the personal health information of the affected patients, including medical history and driver's license numbers. Some patients also may have had their social security numbers and other financial information breached. AHN and their parent company, Highmark Health, confirmed they managed to immediately stop the incident as soon as it was uncovered. All affected patients are being notified by mail this week. First Hospital in Kingston will close its doors on October 30th, reports the Times Leader. Commonwealth Health announced the location's closure by news release yesterday, explaining, quote, "Over the past couple of years, it has become increasingly difficult to maintain adequate staffing levels at the hospital." Today's episode is brought to you by Renewal by Andersen of Central Pennsylvania. Renewal by Andersen offers you a better way to a better window. Go to RBACentralPADeals.com for this month's specials. The release goes on to say that as First Hospital only has enough staff to care for existing patients, the hospital has stopped accepting any new admissions entirely. First Hospital confirmed it will be transitioning and finding placements for these existing patients before the October closing date. A growing number of abandoned dogs are being found in and around a wooded area in Philadelphia's West Mount Airy neighborhood, states PennLive. Activists informed the Philadelphia Inquirer that both cats and dogs are being found throughout the northwestern part of the city. This pet abandonment is largely seen as a somewhat hangover effect from the pandemic's adoption spike. Now that people are going back to work, they don't have the time or the desire to take care of these pandemic-adopted animals anymore. Samantha Holbrook, president of Citizens for No Kill Philadelphia, tells the Inquirer, quote, "There's a mindset often with dogs of, I can't take care of him, let me set him free. But these are domesticated animals used to being given food and water and not able to survive in the woods." 2 orphaned grizzly bear cubs will soon call Rivendell Wildlife Sanctuary in Washington County their home, says PennLive. Originally from Montana, it was decided the 2 cubs would move into Rivendell as it provides, quote, "lifelong homes for orphaned or rescued animals while promoting conservation through education and research." When the 2 cubs will get to Pennsylvania remains undisclosed. That wraps up today's episode. For even more news, mosey on over to PennLive.com. Also, don't forget to please rate this podcast on either Apple or Amazon and to share it around with your family or friends. Thanks ahead of time, and as always, thanks for listening. I'm Claudia Dimuro, and I'll be back again tomorrow for more of Today in a PA. Today's episode is brought to you by Renewal by Andersen of Central Pennsylvania. Renewal by Andersen offers you a better way to a better window. Go to RBACentralPADeals.com for this month's specials.